Hey, this is Nick and welcome to Borsellino Carpentry. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of my new Saramonic Blink 500 B1 wireless mic system. Wireless microphone system with lavalier, to be exact. This is an ultra compact 2.4 gigahertz dual channel system. I did a lot of research online before buying this. This was neck and neck with the Rode Wireless Go system, but I ultimately chose this mainly for price. I didn't really want to spend a lot of money on this, so I just went with the highest quality that I could get without spending a ton of money. And from all of my research, this seemed like it was going to be a good option. So we're going to find out. If this is your first time here, I am a carpentry related channel. I do how-to videos and stuff like that. And I said when I hit 100 subscribers, I was going to upgrade my system, my components a little bit here. And so to do that, I'm going to use this. I'm really excited to try this out. I'm hoping it's going to make my life a heck of a lot easier. All right, so here we go. So I can figure out how to get in this. So apparently this is brand new. I thought I bought a used one for some reason, but I didn't. I got this off eBay. It was a buy now or best offer thing, and I think I paid $164 or $169 for it, which is pretty cheap for this system. Let's see here. So we got the booklet, a couple tools in there. And I'm assuming that's the charger wires. That's all that's in the box. Okay, silica gel. Don't feed this to your children or your pets. I'm gonna throw that away. We got the booklet. We've got some cords. So I believe these are both charging cables. They're all gold plated, which is kind of cool. It comes with a lapel mic that goes with it. And there are two cords. One, I believe, is a TRS, and one is a TRRS. So both of them on one end have a right-angled TRS, and on the other end have a TRRS. And if you don't know what a TRS versus a TRRS is, so right there, the TRS versus the TRRS. TRS is TRS. TRRS. The ring is actually what the R stands for there. So all that is like I'm using this on my phone, so I'm going to use the TRRS because it accounts for having the microphone as well as left and right output. The TRS is for something that is only got the two, so it wouldn't be a microphone input as well. I assume a camcorder maybe has that, or it's like a mono channel or something, so I'm not really sure, but I know this is the one we're going to be using because this is the same cord that I've got right now hooked up with this mic. Onto these bad boys. So right on them it says this is the transmitter and this is the receiver. So this will get mounted somewhere by the camera. It has a little clip on it, so I'm not sure how I'm going to mount this. Probably somewhere on the stand or something. I'll probably put it, I don't know. I'll have to figure out a way to mount this somewhere to there. It doesn't slide in. Oh, this might slide into the... So the transmitter here has this clip on the back that I believe slides into a cold shoe mount. So I'm going to try to do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I can see it right there. It would work if I didn't have this thing that is in the way of the... this is how I tighten it down for the phone. If I didn't have that, it would work. Okay, so I figured something out. I took the mic off of... This is the stand that holds my current microphone. And because this has this little clip on the back, I can just clip it like that. So I have a way to mount it now, which is good. So there's a line out there. So that would be, the line out would be that. and then the TRRS would go into the foam. And then on this side, this thing's pretty sleek. It's got the little belt clip here, or shirt clip. So this has a microphone built into it. So if I wanted to, I could mount it like that. Kind of cumbersome, but you could do that and then it would pick up right there. But it comes with a lavalier mic so that I can hook it on my belt and run this up here. Pretty cool. And of course they both have charging ports. Solid blue light will be it's paired successfully. So I'm just gonna check this real quick. Long press to turn on or off. I'm gonna hold it. Oh, it lit up blue, so I'm assuming that means it's on. Do the same thing over here. Oh, there's a little blue light under where my thumb was. So they're both lit up. They look like they're solid blue light. So I guess they're good. Alright, so I'm going to plug this into the phone. We're just going to try it out. If you're getting value out of this so far, make sure to like and subscribe below. I understand this isn't carpentry related, I guess, but this is part of a tool review, and I do tool reviews. This is how I'm making all of this stuff come together so that I can give you this content. Testing. Just so you guys can see this here. So the microphone's on top here. Should be able to hear that tapping. So this is the test with the Blink 500 with the internal microphone. Now here's a test, Blink 500 with the wired lav into the transmitter, to the receiver, into the phone. Make sure it's on. Okay, I guess we'll see how that sounds. My guess is that it sounds pretty good, but I don't know. We'll find out when I upload this on the computer, and we'll see what this sounds like. Okay, back to the other mic. All right, so I turned it off. You just have to hold it long press for like a second or two, and it turns off. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna charge these things. They don't come with their own blocks, but I've got a million of those things laying around the house. It is a USB to a USB-C. I believe that's what they're called. I always forget. The USB to USB-C. USB-A to USB-C? Something like that. So I'm gonna charge these. I'm gonna read in the book, see how it says real quick here. Charge indicator light. Oh, solid green when charged. Oh, turn that back on for a second. Ah, that's neat. I'm gonna show you this. All right, so you can see the light is red now. It's because I have the volume all the way down. On the side here, there's volume up and down. As I turn the volume up, one blue light comes on. So that must be full volume, which is pretty cool. So that's how you tell the volume that you have going in. So what I will do is I'll do some tests and check with the app that I'm using has a volume meter on it, so I'll be able to tell if I'm spiking it out or not. So what I'll probably do, my phone has a tendency to record audio really quietly, and then I have to pump it up in post-production, and it's a pain in the butt. So what I'll probably do is just leave this on full volume and hope it doesn't peak out. I'll do a couple tests and put it into the computer, and if it is peaking, I will lower it, and I'll probably set it and forget it kind of thing, you know, once I know where it's got to be. So I'm not messing with it all the time. Turn these off. I'm going to give them a good charge before I really use them. Alright, so I guess that's it. I'm excited to hear how this sounds when I go listen to it in the studio. Thanks for watching. And if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe below. Ring that little notification bell so you can get notified of my new videos. And thanks again to all my 100 subscribers. That did help me reach my goal, which, as I said earlier, that was the goal for me to go out and buy this stuff. So thank you again to everyone who's already subscribed. And check out my links below. Check out my website. I recently just launched a merch page through my website and teespring.com. I guess that's it. Have a great day.